Hey guys, welcome back to RC Brucey. As you can see here, I got the Maxx on the table, and I thought I'd take this opportunity to give you a little secret on keeping the fan from breaking. When I first got this truck, a couple jumps, I think it was going on my second battery. First time all of a sudden I started making noises. Come to find out, I don't know if you can see it there, but the fan blade, oh, of course I dropped that. Let's try that again. The fan blade was broken. And called Traxxas. Went through a whole ordeal. You can see all that on the channel if you want to see what I'm talking about. And then one day a whole new one showed up, and to keep it from I started investigating and looking at the new one to see what the problem was, and then what I noticed and some of the forums and things that I saw online is that these fans have too much play and movement, and part of the problem is when you take an impact in that sudden jar, the blades catch the outer part of the ring, and they're so flimsy they just snap because they're spinning at a high rate of speed. So if you want to save yourself a little aggravation, or you just want to keep your model or your RC running a little bit longer without any problems before you have to go and upgrade a fan, I kind of came up with this trick of I got an old Amazon card here. I cut it off. It's just the right thickness. And I just cut it into little pieces as so. And I took these pieces that I cut and I put it on the inside, on the outside of the fan and the housing there. And I pushed them in like so, underneath the lock tabs there. I don't know if you can see that there, I'm trying. And I did that on 3 of the quadrants all the way around the fan, and the new one that I have in there so far hasn't broken yet. And even just with that one in, as you can see, the fan's not moving around all inside the housing. Someone also said that you can put a little piece of foam up on the top part and glue it. But just a little FYI, this one had it and it still broke. So I guess long story short there, with these pieces of plastic gift card wrapped or pushed into the side there, so far without any problems, I have not broken the fan, and it's the same fan replacement. I also heard that Traxxas changed the design of this a little bit so the fan wasn't moving around. I just got one and it still was bouncing around in the housing. So anyway, I thought I'd just pass that along, share it with you guys. I hope it helps someone out. Hope it helps you, keep you from your fan breaking, and keeps you rolling. I hope you guys liked it. Comment below, let me know what you think, and thumbs up. Tell me if it helped. Tell me if you think it's a good idea. Tell me I'm crazy. Tell me whatever you want me to tell you. Just let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy bashing, everybody.